Hi guys, last option that I want to talk to you about is Signs by Lilli. This is a new option that we're offering, and like I said earlier, every month we release new kits to be purchased for home craft parties. Those kits will now stay in our sign shop and will also be available for order to be completed by us anytime. So Signs by Lilli is right here. And this is whenever you want to come to our website and shop Signs by Lilli, you can do that. If you have an upcoming wedding and you want to order a name sign or something like that. On the event, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, I don't think we talked about earlier in the tutorials that all of these are the featured kits for this month. So these are the new releases. So you can order them as kits for home parties or as completed signs through shop Signs by Lilli. So they're also clickable. If you click on these links, it's going to take you to the kits. And if you want to shop Signs by Lilli, you can click here to shop Signs by Lilli. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And anytime you're on our website, you can use these drop-down menu options to get to where you need to go. So I'm going to pick one that's customizable, and there's this laundry sign that's customizable with whatever name you want. And so just enter what you want that to say. And the size is 12 by 24 farm style frame. Quantity 1, add to cart. So now that you have it in your cart, I'm going to remove that one. You can check out or you can continue shopping. I'm going to check out because we do have a discount code for Signs by Lilli going on right now. So take note of that if there's any discount codes that you have. Because this is where you're going to enter discount codes. So Signs by Lilli 10. So go to checkout. So the system already has my information saved, and I've used the discount before, but I'm going to go ahead and take that off. And basically you're going to enter in all of this information. If it's wrong, you can edit it. And I am local, and it knows I'm local, but here's where you would choose local pickup, which is free, or if you're out of state and you want it shipped, you can choose one of these options to have it shipped out to you. So right here is where you would put any discount codes. And it applied it. You can see that it applied it right here. And it was 10% off, so it's $5.50 off. Shipping is free because I'm doing local pickup, and you can continue to payment method. So now if you've decided that you want to add something to your cart, just use your browser back button and it'll take you back. And you can, anytime you're on our website and you want to go to the home page, you can click home, or you can click our logo and it will take you to the home page. And this is our home page, Henderson and Las Vegas, Nevada division. And they have, we have some shortcuts: place an order for a party or for pickup, book a party, request a quote for a kit, which is 4 parties, or shop Signs by Lilli. And if you keep going down, there's more shortcuts: shop kits for home craft parties here, shop Signs by Lilli here, some testimonials, and our Instagram feed. So these are some of the parties that we recently done and some of the kits that we released. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through the contact form at the top of our website, or you can email us at shescraftygirl@gmail.com if you have any questions. And if you're attending a party and you have a link to a blog, there is also a comment section at the bottom of the blog.